Hello Artisan family! Today I'll be sharing an easy Christmas centerpiece idea for your dining table. For this project, I used 2 floral foams from Dollarama and a wooden block for the base. I learned from one video tutorial that I watched that retaining the plastic wrap of the floral foams will keep it from crumbling. I think that's a cool tip considering that we won't be using fresh flowers or foliage for this project. I just tie them together using Decor wire or twist tie, then wrap the base with garland. You can wrap around the whole length if you wish. But I decided to cut it for a slimmer centerpiece. Tie them again with Decor wire so everything is in just one piece. Then I basically just inserted ornaments that I have. As you can see, there was no detailed plan. I just figured things out as I go along. Well, spontaneity made it more fun. Don't forget to remove those tags. What was important for me was to make all sides visually pleasing. As you can see, you can just cut them if you need shorter pieces. Now it's time to put the lights on. So these lights require 2 AA batteries. Ta-da! It's done! So here is our finished product. I also made a round centerpiece using my live succulent dish garden. Watch out for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss Artisan Gift Collection's creative posts. And if it's not too much to ask, please share this video so others can have fun watching and making their own Christmas centerpiece. Happy crafting!